Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change icon of a shortcut on Windows 10. Right-click any shortcut, click Properties. Click Change Icon under Shortcut tab. Click Browse. Type /Windows /System32 /image res.dll. Click Open. Select any icon. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.